All right, most people jump into crypto because they've seen some post on Instagram about a flashy lifestyle, but what they don't see is the graveyard of blown accounts behind the scenes. So if you're even thinking about trading crypto, there's 5 things that you need to know first, or you'll just be another statistic. All right, so this isn't about hype. This is about approaching crypto like a professional, so you're prepared before you put a single pound or single dollar into the market. So key insight number 1 is extreme volatility. Although the patterns look similar in every market, crypto doesn't move like Forex or stocks. And the reason I say that is because a currency pair moving 1% in a day is huge. But in crypto, you can see 10 or 20% swings in an hour. Now that does mean bigger opportunities, but it also means much bigger risks. And if you don't know how to handle the volatility, you'll get absolutely wrecked. So my first tip is, although the patterns are the same in every market, because it's all driven by human psychology and human behavior, make sure that if you go into crypto, you can handle the volatility in your equity. Because if you've been trading Forex or trading stocks, until now, you might have been able to stomach the amount of up and down in your trading account, but crypto's a different game altogether. So just make sure that you're cut out for that. All right, key insight number 2 is risk management is non-negotiable. You hear people about placing mental stop losses and things like that. Make sure you use a stop loss. Leverage plus volatility is a deadly cocktail in trading. In crypto, risking even 2% per trade can wipe you out very, very fast if you're not prepared. So you need a rock solid risk plan, stop losses, position sizing, and knowing exactly how much you can afford to lose. Key insight number 3 is security and custody. So unlike Forex, where your funds sit with a regulated broker, crypto comes with unique risks: exchange hacks, dodgy platforms, phishing scams. And if you don't understand wallets, cold storage, and how to protect your crypto assets, you shouldn't even be thinking about trading it yet. Now, I've done entire videos on how to store your cryptocurrency in hard wallets, cold wallets. You can go and check out those videos here, and I'll leave them in the description. And as far as platforms and brokers, I've got another couple of videos on Vantage, who I've used personally, who I trust to buy crypto. So go and check those out as well, and you can find the details for Vantage in the description and in the pinned comment. All right, key insight 4 is the fundamentals are different. When you trade crypto, you're not just trading charts, you're trading narratives, adoption cycles, and even government regulation. So understanding how Bitcoin halving works or Ethereum upgrades affect price action can really give you an edge beyond the technicals. So as I always say, it's knowledge, income, equity. If you don't know about these things, the first step is to go and learn about these things before you put your hardworking cash into crypto. All right, key insight number 5, probably the most important, and that is psychology is magnified. Crypto will test your emotions more than any other market. Fear of missing out when a coin pumps, panic when it crashes 50% overnight. If you don't have the patience and discipline that I talked about in my last video, which you can go and watch here, crypto will expose every weakness in your psychology. So before you even consider trading crypto, respect the volatility, master risk management, secure your assets, learn the fundamentals, and prepare your mindset. And if you do those 5 things, that's how you avoid being another victim in the crypto space. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more about this stuff, there's some more videos here that you can go and watch. And until next time, take care, be careful in the markets, and I'll see you then.